Come test drive the 2018 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, push-button start, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, 8-way power driver seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.